Looking at new construction homes in Arizona? Builders are offering some big incentives, but are they actually a good deal or just marketing tricks? You'll see offers for closing cost assistance, mortgage rate buydowns, free upgrades, and even price reductions. Some can save you thousands, while others may not be as valuable as they seem. Some builders offer temporary or permanent mortgage rate reductions, which can lower your monthly payments. But always compare these offers with outside lenders to make sure you're getting the best deal. Free upgrades like quartz countertops or smart home features sound great, but sometimes a direct price reduction saves you more in the long run. Always compare. Builders may advertise fixed incentives, but there's always room to negotiate. Ask for additional upgrades, better pricing, or a lower mortgage rate, especially if you're buying at the end of the quarter. Not all incentives are equal. Some builders inflate home prices to cover closing cost assistance. Always separate the home price from incentives before making a decision. I'm Denny with Living in Arizona Real Estate, your new construction expert. If you're thinking about buying, let's make sure you're getting the best deal. Like and subscribe for more expert home buying tips. Save this video so you don't miss out.